Welcome back viewers. Today we'll be exploring how to Dockerize Node.js application. First, let's open existing Node.js project or create a new one. Here I have an Express Node.js app. Now we need to add a Docker file in the root directory of the folder. At this moment the Docker file is empty. Now we need to provide the definition how we want to build this application in an image form. To do so, we'll have to start with the base image. To provide the base image, we need to type from followed by the image name. Once we have defined the base image, we'll have to provide the working directory. Working directory is a location. When the container runs, it will set that as a default. Now we'll copy our project to the destination. I'm copying all of my content to the destination. After copying, I need to define what needs to be done. So the post copy step is to install all the dependency. After installing all the dependency, all I need to do is to start the application. Now let's save this file. As we have provided the definition for building the Docker image, now let's go ahead and create a build. Docker build followed by -t, then the name of the repository, an image name, and then the version. Now the build is completed. Let's check. Now we can try running it as well. Docker run -d followed by, we can provide name, then the port, and the name of the image. Okay, so now it is running. Now let's check whether it is responding to our calls. Okay, so it returns the HTTP call. Alright, so we have tested the Docker image, it's running fine. Now let's push this image to our repository. Now we'll go to Docker Hub. After logging in, we can see there are no repository available. We'll create a one. We can choose public or private. Now let's copy this command. We'll have to log in because we have selected private. Now after login, it is able to push. Now let's go to Docker Hub and refresh. Now we can see one version is available here. In order to pull the image, we need to use Docker pull followed by the repository and image name. In our case, the image already exists, so we don't need, but in a new machine, we can pull this image and use like any other image. That's all for today. Thank you for watching video.